Let's look at some primitive data types available in Sway. I'll show you some examples of unsigned integers, fixed length string, boolean, and 256 bits or 32 bytes. Let's start with unsigned integers. There are several variants of unsigned integers. They have different sizes. For example, an unsigned integer of type U8 will range from 0 to 2 to the 8 minus 1. And to declare this, I'll say that, I'll name this U_8. This is of type U8, and let's say this is equal to 1 to 3. And likewise, there's also U16, which ranges from 0 to 2 to the 16 minus 1. U32 ranging from 0 to 2 to the 32 minus 1. And finally, the default unsigned integer U64. This ranges from 0 to 2 to the 64 minus 1. Now, as a handy trick, if you wanted to get the maximum for U64, here's what you would do. Let's say that U64 max, that's the name of this variable, and this is of type U64, and this will be equal to U64 : max. And this number will be equal to 2 to the 64 minus 1. Okay, moving on, let's look at fixed length strings. To declare a fixed length string, here's what you would do. Let's say that, let's name this S, and this is of type str, and let's declare this string to be a fixed length of length 4. To tell Sway that this string is of size 4, what you would do is type brackets, and inside the brackets, put in the size of the string, 4. And let's say this is equal to double quotes fuel. We also have a boolean type. Let's take a look at it. That b is equal to of type boolean, and let's say this is equal to true. Okay, for the last part of this video, let's take a look at 256 bits, 32 bytes. That, I'll name this variable b_256 of type b256, and this will be equal to a series of ones. 0x followed by 64 ones. This is 256 bits written in hex. Okay, those were some simple examples of primitive data types. In the next video, I'll show you some examples of more complex data types. See you in the next video.